Sweet monkey molasses. Oh my golly jeez. I just hang on. Here. Have a listen. I'm not sure if you guys could hear that, but I was just listening to some Pokemon music, and look what I found. Oh my god. Look at all them Canox and Regulus. Hey, look at Requiem too. No, this is a toughie now. I just got Drained Fafnir. The green one, but now that I see Luinor, this can be a problem. I think Lady of Luck, I was supposed to have Lady of Luck leave me for 2018, but I think that she loves me a little bit too much. I know for certain that Shelter Regulus isn't. You can only get this in the random booster. I'm not sure which one it was, but I know that that's the prize bay, and I heard that it's not bad. But as for Canox, I really am curious how well this thing will perform. Not sure about the spring, but I have heard that even though the Canox bursts very easily, this one tends to be really good. And the fact that Canox is extremely hard to get. Timber! And Surprise and Requiem. This thing is banned for sure, except for the Zero Disc. It's not that strong, but it's decent. But the main course is the Luinor. Damn! Okay. Ladies and gents, now we know that wave, I don't know which wave this is, but anyways, the new wave is finally here.